Morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. It's me, Richie Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. Welcome back to our channel, everybody. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your FTX account. So for those people who don't know the FTX is a cryptocurrency exchange platform, which means you guys can buy and sell your cryptocurrency. All right. So it's a pretty, big cryptocurrency exchange since there's like 10 billion of daily trading volume, which is like a lot. 10 billion is a lot. So let me show you guys how you guys can log in into it. But before that, if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Let's move on, shall we? So the first step you want to do is you want to search for FTX. After you search for FTX, you want to click on the first thing where it says FTX.com. It's going to take you to its official website. Now, once you're in its official website, you want to go to the login sector first. By default, it's going to be sign up. If you don't have an account, you can sign up. If you already have an account, click on login. Once you click on login, you want to enter the email address over here like this. After you enter your email address, what you want to do is you want to go on the password section, enter the password of your account, and you want to click to verify. It's going to be done to verify if you're a human or not. Once you verify you're a human, basically by completing this little puzzle looking thing over here, basically what you want to do is you want to click on login over here. Once you click on login, you should be able to log in into FTX. So that's basically it. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe with notification on. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.